Okay, I have some exciting news. Today's the day we're going to put the post in. This is a 4x6, and you saw my me staining it. It was just black wood stain, and I drilled or screwed some screws in the wood. That way, when this end will probably go at least a foot and a half into the ground, and then I'm going to pour concrete, and so the concrete will have something to adhere better. And the screws are on all sides, and I have my new I have some soot, my new bird feeder with the finch food, and then if you remember a video I put together, a birdhouse that has the camera. I'm going to put that on here also. So this will be an exciting day, so stay tuned. All right, we're going to carry it to the backyard. We're going to put it kind of close to where the shepherd's pole was. We're going to remove that. And this will be just a little bit more substantial. And it matches the other two that we have. That has the... What is that thing called? What's that thing called? Hose link and the wind chimes. We already have my concrete out here and the shovel. We'll put it down here. You gotta get to digging. All right, I'm finishing up my hole. I got maybe a foot by foot diameter. It's probably at least a foot and a half deep. I'm gonna put this concrete little thing down here. That way you can use gravel. I don't have gravel, so I'm going to use what I have. So it has like a sturdy structure to... Gosh. Where did I start? I'm going to use this concrete block and put it down here. That way, when I put the post on there, you can use rock or gravel, whatever you have. I don't have that, so I'm going to use what I have. So it has something to support and have a sturdy base. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ta-da! So I made sure it was square and level on each side. It is. I'm using the fast setting concrete mix. I did one half of it, did water, then I poured the other half. It's 50-pound bag, and now I'm just wetting it really good. That way it will activate, set, and dry. But it looks really good. It matches the other ones. I can't wait to hang my birdhouse and bird feeders. Okay. It's dragonflies. So I want to continue to wait for this to set. It's time to give the hummingbird some nectar. All right, we're gonna go. It's a new batch, and I only fill it up halfway, just because when the sun hits it, it beats down and it turns kind of vinegary. So now they'll enjoy their new hummingbird feeder, or nectar. When that sets, I'm going to touch the paint up a little bit. And we positioned it in a way that it's not really perpendicular with the fence, but we angled it that way. The birdhouse, it's motion activated birdhouse, it has a camera on it. It is pointed toward the pond. So we're hoping that will provide some really pretty footage. And so in the next video, you can see me hanging the bird feeders, and I'll put some footage of some birds coming to the birdhouse, the bird feeder. And so if you like this video, give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, y'all.